Now we will do how to be happy. Now, to be happy, we need the four happy hormones every day. So, one of them is endorphin. These are actually painkillers which the body releases when you do, for example, exercise. So, for this hormone, you have to do exercise daily. All these four hormones you must have daily. So, a little bit of exercise. If you don't have time for doing exercise, at least do the two things. Whenever you walk very fast, and whenever you climb steps, climb two at a time. So at least some exercise will be taken care of every day. There are many other benefits of exercise apart from the happy hormone. You develop muscles, so you become stronger. And the second one is your immune system becomes strong, so you do not get diseases, viruses, bacteria. Every day we inhale so much, they will not affect you. It may not be a good method to reduce weight because it will reduce your fat, but you will develop muscles, which is actually good. So your weight reduction might not take place because muscles weigh more than fat. So anyhow, this is the first hormone you need every day, some exercise. Second one is dopamine. So these hormones are actually chemicals, natural chemicals which your body releases. Now dopamine you will get. So dopamine you will get. The dopamine you will get when you do some goal setting. You have to do. You have to make a goal every day, which you must achieve it by the evening. So you set that goal which you think you can achieve in the evening, and once that goal is accomplished, or any goal which you have accomplished, immediately dopamine is released, which makes you happy. The third one is oxytocin. This is released when you do some social service. So some small social service you must do every day. Does not mean you have to spend money. Even without money, you can do social service. Just help someone, give a smile to someone, help someone cross the road, an old man or a injured man, smile to someone. All these things releases oxytocin. And the last one is serotonin. Now this is easy. This is some when you hug someone or when you eat something you like maybe some sweets or some alcohol or smoking. So this also has to be done every day. One, two, three, four. Four happy hormones.